ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंभृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीः नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम पेज नंबर 282. In shloka 102 it was said Brahma is Atma and it is Swata Siddha. In that Brahma Rupa Atma, if Shastra has Apramanyam, Shastra Apramanyam will be of 4 types. This was given in Tika. विपर्यास लक्षणम, निष्फलत्वम, संशय लक्षणम and
अनुत्पत्ति लक्षणम.
Anutpatti lakshanam. These are the 4. They are given in Tika. So in shloka number 102, Uttarardha, the second quarter, explained that there is no viparyasa lakshana nama apramanyam in Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Viparyasa means it speaks of something which is other than what it is. This is viparyasa, viparita. So he says no, because aham brahmasmi, the Shastra Upadesha, Tattvamasi Shastra Upadesha or aham brahmasmi Upadesha, before that itself, Atma is Sadrupa and Brahmarupa. And there is no badhaka for this jnanam to take place. Means this jnanam will take place. Badhaka, pratimandha can be there in individual. That we discussed in Brihadaranyaka. One full topic. I think I spent half of the session speaking about it. What are the pratibandhas? So, you can listen to that. But other than that, there is no badhaka for the pramana. Now, the second one, na dvitiya anubhav virodhat ityaha. Dvitiya is nishphalatvam, ashanayadi nirmuktiyai, tatkala jayate prama, tattvamasyadi vakyarthe, त्रिषु कालेप्य संशयः अशनायादि निर्मुक्त्यै तत्काला जायते प्रमा तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यार्थे त्रिषु कालेप्य संशयः अशनायादि निर्मुक्त्यै निर्मुक्त्यर्थम चतुर्थी for the freedom, for the sake of freedom from hunger, thirst, etc. Tatkala pramajayate. You listen to the Mahavakya and at that time itself prama will happen, which will remove the problems of hunger, thirst, etc. So Mahavakya is saphalam. It will produce the phalam right away. For whom? for adhikari. Adhikarinah pramitijanako vedaha. Veda will produce prama for adhikari, not for anadhikari. Qualified students with sadhana chatushtaya will get it. Tattvamasya, third number. Tattvamasyaadi vakyarthe trishu kalepya samshaya. So there is no samshaya in 3 periods of time. Trishu kale api, that in Tattvamasyaadi vakyartha, Mahavakya will speak of my Brahmatva. In that there is no samshaya. In other words, in all 3 periods of time, I am Brahma. There is no doubt about my Brahmatva. Tika. Tatkala aptavakya shravana kala eva kalo yasyaha sa tatkala prama. Tatkala is bahurihi samasa. Tatkala is visheshana for prama. Tatkala eva kalo yasyaha sa tatkala prama. Tatkala means that kala. That kala means apta vakya shravana kala eva kalo yasyaha pramaya. When the apta vakya shravana takes place, apta vakya means mahavakya. At that shravana kala itself, prama takes place. See, tatkala doesn't mean prama will remain only for that much time. As long as shravanam has happened, then shravanam is also over, prama is also gone. That happens in case of those who are anadhikari. When we listen, we say, this is so good. I am Brahma, I am Brahma. And 10 minutes after, everything is gone. Not that. Tatkala prama jayate, that prama will remain with this. Prama will remain means prama in the form of jnanam is not clouded for this person at any time. Morning, afternoon, evening, one place, another place, in the company of people, in the company of nobody. I am Brahma, this jnanam is always clear. This is how it should be. What is the vritti given for Ushcha Kalo Kala, what is it? Ukalo Raswa Dirgha Plutaha. Ushcha Vaha. Vam Kala Iva Kalo Yasya. That is how it is given in Lagu. This is similar. That Kala where there is Prama, at that time there is Phalam right away. What is the Phalam? Ashanayadi Upalakshita Samsarasya Nirmuktiyai Nivrutyartham. Ashanadi, Ashana Pipasa, Ashanayadi Upalakshita. Ashanaya Pipasa, Shokam Moham, Jaram Mrutyum. Upalakshita samsarasya nirmuktye for nivrutti, nivrutyartham jayate. Vidusham pratyaksham eva. For a jnani, means for a qualified person, immediately he will understand Ashana Pipasa, they don't belong to me. Shokam, Moham, they don't belong to me. Jara, Mrityu, they don't belong to me. This is the understanding of Jnani. Vidusham pratyaksham eva etat iti ato na nishphalatva shanka avakash. This is pratyaksha for Jnani, therefore there is no shanka, doubt, room for doubt. Shanka avakasha for nishphalatva, that this jnanam, what is the use of this knowledge? So don't think when jnanam comes, hunger will go away, thirst will go away. That adhikarana where hunger and thirst are, that I am not. This jnanam will be clear. Just as when somebody else is dukhi, I am not dukhi. Somebody else is hungry, I am not hungry. I don't become hungry. I don't feel that I am hungry. This vritti doesn't arise. When somebody else is Brahmita, I don't feel I am Brahmita. In the same way, when Ahankar has hunger, thirst, Jara, Mrityu, I will know I don't have them. Deha has Jara, Mrityu, I don't have. This is the Jnana Phalam. If anybody is expecting any other Jnana Phalam, they have not understood Vedanta. Asamsaritva means I am Brahma, which is asamsari. Not I am Ahankara, who is asamsari. Ahankara can never become asamsari. So if I want to hold on to Ahankara, and I want to see that I should not have any problems, you will keep suffering. After listening to Vedanta also, after answering questions also. Tritiyam api anubhav virodhena nirakaroti. Tritiyam is what? Samshaya. He says there is no samshaya lakshana. तत्वमसि महावाक्य तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यार्थे वाक्य से अर्थे इन दी वाक्यार्थ पद पदार्थ वाक्य वाक्यार्थ इन वाक्यार्थ त्रिषु काले अपि असंशय असंशयः संशयो नास्ति. देयर इज नो डाउट दैट आई एम ब्रह्म एट एनी टाइम एनी प्लेस इन एनी सिचुएशन. मुनिर्न व्यामोहम भजति गुरु दीक्षा क्षततमा. That person who is blessed by the teachings from Guru Shastra Sampradaya, Vyamoham na bhavati. He will never become eluded about his Swarupa. I am Brahma. Chaturtham Pratyaha. Chaturtha is Anutpatti Lakshanam. Somebody says Jnanam, Utpatti itself will not happen. प्रतिबंधविहीनत्वात् स्वयं चानुभवात्मनः जायेतैव प्रमातत्र स्वात्मन्येव न संशयः. प्रतिबंधविहीनत्वात् स्वयं चानुभवात्मनः जायेतैव प्रमातत्र स्वात्मन्येव न संशयः. प्रतिबंध विहीनत्वात् स्वयं च आत्मनः अनुभवात्मनः स्वयं च अनुभवात्मनः प्रमा जायते एव स्वात्मनि स्वात्मनि एव प्रमा जायते एव तत्र न संशयः. In that regard, there is no doubt. There is no pratibandha from the prameya side. If there is any pratibandha, it is only from pramata side. Praman is nirdushta. Prameya is nirdushta also, free from defects, and prameya is siddha. There is no pratibandha. It is ever available, aparokshataya, for everybody. Pratibandha is only in pramata's buddhi. So, jnanam, there is no pratibandha. Pratibandha vihinatvat स्वयंचानुभवात्मनः. स्वयं आत्मा is अनुभव स्वरूप. अनुभवात्मनः स्वात्मनि एव प्रमा जायेत. In that there is no doubt. पदार्थ ज्ञानम ही वाक्यार्थ ज्ञानोत्पत्ति प्रतिबंधस तद विहीनत्वाद अवगत पदार्थस्य पुंसस् तत्र तस्मिन्नेव वाक्य श्रवण काले आत्मन्येव प्रमा जायेत एव न संशय इति योजना. पदार्थ ज्ञानम ही वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान उत्पत्ति प्रतिबंधः. और वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान उत्पत्ति पदार्थ अज्ञानम is pratibandha. Not knowing the padartha is the problem. So if I do not, this we saw in Naishkarmya Siddhi also, if I do not know tvam padartha, tat padartha properly, vakyartha jnanam will not take place. Tad vihinatvat, pratibandha vihina is this jnanam, tattvamasi mahavakya jnanam. अवगत पदार्थस्य पुंसस् तत्र तस्मिन्नेव वाक्य श्रवण काले आत्मनि एव प्रमा जायेत न संशय इति योजना. अवगत पदार्थस्य पुंसः. हाउ विल यू डू समास विग्रह?
अवगतः पदार्थः येन.
पदार्थो येन. अवगत पदार्थो येन पुरुषेण. पुंसः. पुंसः, व्हाट इज द प्रत्यय? डुमसुन प्रत्यय. पुंसः शब्द डुमसुन इति प्रत्यय. पुंसः अवगत पदार्थस्य पुंसः तत्र तस्मिन्नेव वाक्य श्रवण काले आत्मनि एव प्रमा जायेत एव. When he hears the महावाक्य श्रवण काले आत्मनि एव प्रमा जायेत. आत्मनि means अंतःकरण और आत्मनि means आत्म विषय. आत्मा इज द विषय. विषय सप्तमी. आत्म विषय का प्रमा जायते एव न संशय इति योजना. आकाश पुष्पम अस्ति इत्यादि वाक्यार्थवत् अनुभव अयोग्यार्थत्व शंकां वारयति. आकाश पुष्पम अस्ति नवा. So somebody says आकाश पुष्प is there. आकाश पुष्पम अस्ति, this vakyartha is lacking anubhava because there is no yogyata. You will never experience this vakya akasha pushpam asti. So it is ayogya vakya. In mahavakya tattvamasi there is no ayogyata. Like if somebody says sugar is spicy or sugar is sour. This is ayogya vakya. You will never be able to experience such things. Shankam varayati. So there is no ayogyatva shanka in Mahavakya. Swayam cha anubhavatmanah. Anubhava swarupatvat. Atma is anubhava swarupa. Atmanah here means swarupatva. Swarupatah means swarupatvat. Panchami. Atma is anubhava swarupa. स्वयं आत्मनः प्रत्याख्यातुम् अशक्यत्वात् इत्यर्थः. So therefore I myself can never do pratyakhyanam, refute my brahmatva. Or if you take it the other way, the one which you are experiencing, that you cannot contradict. And therefore, whether this prama utpatti will happen or not, there is no doubt about it. Ato hum phat adi shabdavat anutpatti lakshanam api apramanyam nasti iti siddham. So therefore these anarthaka shabdas like hum phat ityadi shabdavat anutpatti lakshanam, jnana utpatti doesn't take place, anutpatti lakshanam api apramanyam, that is not there in Mahavakya. Apramanyam nasti iti siddham. Siddhe brahmatmani vakyasya pramanyam ityarthah. And therefore, Brahmatma is siddha, aikya. Means there are no two things. That thing which is called Brahma itself is called Atma. Only two names are used. Entity is one. With respect to Panchakosha, Atma Shabda is used. And with respect to Prapancha, Brahma Shabda is used. In general. Because they are one, so you can use any Shabda anywhere. What is the shloka for Atma? What is Atma?
यच्चाप्नोति यदादत्ते यच्चाप्ति विषयानिह यच्छास्य संततं भावं तस्मादात्मेति कीर्त्यते.
यच्चास्य संततो भावो भावस्तस्मादात्मेति कीर्त्यते. यच्च आपनोति यद आदत्ते यच्च अत्ति विषयानिह यच्च अस्य संततो भाव. So all of them, these shabda, their dhatus, they talk of Atma. Apnoti, apl vyaptau dhatu. Adatte, dudaye dane dhatu. Atti, adbhakshane dhatu. And santato bhavaha at satatya gamane. All of them, they talk about Atma which is present in Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, three avasthas. This is the Siddha Aikya. So therefore, Vakyasya Pramanyam Siddham. Evam प्रमाण स्वरूप निरूपणेन अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति ज्ञानम उपाद्य इदानीं प्रतिपत्तव्य अर्थ स्वभाव निरूपणेन अपि तद उपपादयितुं विकल्पयति. एवं in this way प्रमाण स्वरूप निरूपणेन अहम ब्रह्मास्मि this ज्ञानम उपपाद्य. अहम ब्रह्मास्मि ज्ञान upapadanam is done. That there is pramana, it is valid, it has pramanyam. Pramanyam means
Pramatvam.
pramatvam. Pramanyam means pramatvam. It is there in Mahavakya. So aham brahmasmi iti jnanam upapadya idanim प्रतिपत्तव्य अर्थ स्वभाव निरूपणेन अपि तद उपपादयितुं विकल्पयति. प्रतिपत्तव्य मीन्स ज्ञातव्य, अर्थ तस्य स्वभाव निरूपणेन अपि तद उपपादयितुं विकल्पयति. So now in different way he does the upapadanam. So प्रतिपत्तव्य अर्थ is aham brahmasmi only jnanam. किं सदेवाहमस्मीति किं वान्यत् प्रतिपद्यते सदेव चेदहं शब्दः सता मुख्यार्थ इष्यताम्. किं सदेवाहमस्मीति किं वान्यत् प्रतिपद्यते सदेव चेदहं शब्दः सता मुख्यार्थ इष्यताम्. किं सद एव अहमस्मि इति किं वा अन्यत् प्रतिपद्यते. So Mahavakya Shravana Anantaram, somebody is asking, is this valid or not? So Acharya is asking counter question to that student or Purvapaksha. After listening to Mahavakya, what is your understanding? Kim sad eva aham asmi iti pratipadyate? Kim va anyat pratipadyate? Or you are understanding something else? So student says sadeva. One student, at least one of them says, out of how many ever are listening, at least one student says, I have understood. Sadeva aham asmi. Sad eva ched aham shabdah sata mukhyartha ishyatam. It is the mukhya artha of sat. That is the real meaning of the Mahavakya that you understood. In other words, it is Samanadikaranya. Aham and Sat. Aham refers to Chaitanya, Sat also refers to Chaitanya. Chaitanya now has two names, Aham and Sat. So I'll give you one more name, Brahma. Okay, Chaitanya gets three names now. Chaitanya means this Kutastha Jnanam. So first my project is to catch that Kutastha Jnanam as Aham. In that I will see now everything. That Aham Lakshyartha is Sat, is Brahma, is Bhuma, is Atma. You give another 25 names. You don't have to worry about that. As long as you know it is one thing only. Tattvamasi iti vakya shravana samanantaram pratipatta vaham asmi iti kin sadeva pratipadyate kim va anyat iti vikalpartha. Tattvamasi iti vakya shravana samanantaram. When you hear this Mahavakya, then तत् श्रवण समनंतरम simultaneously प्रतिपत्ति ज्ञानम takes place. प्रतिपत्तौ अहम अस्मि इति, this is who I am. किम सदैव प्रतिपद्यते, अहम को हम, who are you, से सदैव. किम वा अन्यत्, or some other understanding you have. Actually in this the main thing is what is aham, first you understood. If I say I have understood aham is sat, aham is brahma, okay, what is your understanding of aham? If it is not Kutastha Chaitanya, you are gone. You misunderstood. Adyam anudya tatra parasya anishtapattirityaha. Adyam anudya, having mentioned the first one, means Sat Pratipatti. Tatra parasya anishtapattihi ityaha. सदैव चेत इति. सता सत शब्दार्थेन अहम शब्दो मुख्यार्थ इष्यताम. सता by that सत शब्दार्थेन अहम शब्द मुख्यार्थ इष्यता. अहम शब्द इज मुख्य अर्थ. तदा सत शब्द अहम शब्दयोः एकार्थ पर्यवसानात्. सी सत शब्द एंड अहम शब्द एकार्थ पर्यवसानम, वन अधिकरण, वन लोकस, पर्यवसानात् ऐकात्म्यमेव वाक्यार्थो न संसर्ग. दिस इज नॉट संसर्ग वाक्य, दिस इज समानाधिकरण्य. संसर्गो वा विशिष्टो वा वाक्यार्थो नात्र सम्मतः. देन अखंडैकरसत्वेन वाक्यार्थो विदुषां मतः. वाक्य वृत्ति श्लोक. So if a person has understood after aham sodhanam, aham shabdo mukhyartha ishyatam, this is the mukhyartha. So then it is aparoksha jnana siddhi. Dvitiya doshamaha. Someone says, no, I understood something else, not that I am sat. Anyachet sadahangraha pratipattir mrishaiva sa tasman mukhya grahe nasti varanavagateriha. Anyachet sadahangraha pratipattir mrishaiva sa tasman mukhya grahe nasti varanavagateriha. अन्यत चेत, अन्यत प्रतिपत्ति चेत सत अहंग्राह प्रतिपत्तिर मृषैव सा. So ahangraha pratipatti you have to separate. That is how Tikakar says. If anyat sat chet ahangraha pratipatti mrishaya. If you have understood sat is different from me, not I am sat. Sat is different, I am different. This kind of understanding if you get, that understanding is false, mrishaya. Therefore, tasmat, मुख्य ग्रहे इह वारण अवगतेः नास्ति. Therefore, iha means in Mahavakya Grahana, when Mukhya Graha takes place, when Mukhyartha, that I am Sat, I am not different from Sat. Sat means Jagat Karanam. So, I am Jagat Karanam. When this understanding is there, then Avagatehe Varana or Varana, either way. Avagati is Strilinga, so Varana. Avagatehe Varana Nasti. Means Jnanam will take place if you have understood properly. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.